guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am unboxing Just Because box. This is the March box. So if you're not familiar with Just Because or Natural Jewels, who's the retailer of the Handmade Bath and Body Company that sends these boxes out, this is a monthly subscription that includes just their products. Sometimes they throw in another product, but it's not a bath and body product, just an accessory item. From Natural Jewels, everything is handmade each month. And so here's my thing, like usually with these boxes from one company, they can kind of seem redundant and kind of get like, unless you're a really big fan of the products, they don't really work for everyone. But this box is an exception, and I guarantee you it. It is amazing. The products are fantastic, and nothing ever feels hair like you've done it before. It's just very like, I don't know. It's just a great box. So each box is $29.95. I think you get 3 to 4 full-sized items. Their products are amazing. I cannot wait to see what's in here. I can smell it already. Ah, look at the box. It's so pretty. All right, it says stepping into spring, and it lists all of the items in here. The back says Just Because box. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you are opening again, welcome back. Everything's been handcrafted for us. So here is the actual item. So we have first, ooh, a soy wax candle, and this is in clean cotton. I love these little metal tins. Oh, it smells like laundry on the line. It's just, ta-da! I wish I had concealed this spot right here. Anyway, it's just one of the perks of being a woman, right? All right. Then, see, this is an item like they throw in stuff like this, like a foot scrubber and a pumice, and then it's got that like thing to get the calluses off. These are actually really nice too. I like these. Cool. I can't wait to try it out. All right. What's next? Next we've got, ooh, it's a shower steamer. This is what I'm smelling. Ooh, I don't know the scent. I think it's like a tangerine, like a citrus tangerine. These are awesome. I actually have a cold, so I might use this tonight. I don't know if you can hear it. I sound awesome. These, you put them in the shower, almost like a bath bomb, but in a shower, but it doesn't go off like all magical. It like puts the vapors into the shower, gives you like a really relaxing experience. I'm still getting the hang of using them, but I do like them. And I like orange. Hey, orange. All right, so finally, this is our last item for the month. This is a Natural Jewels foot scrub. So this is like the petty, like I'm seeing like a petty theme here, like to get ready for spring and sandals. So this doesn't say it has a scent. Rub into skin with a circular motion. Rinse, pat dry, and moisturize if needed. Use pumice stone on foot before using foot scrub. And it only contains Epsom salt, sugar, shea butter, woo, safflower oil, coconut oil, fragrance oil, and vitamin E. So there's that. Let's smell it. It probably doesn't have a smell with those ingredients. Yeah, it's just a very like mild, like almost like a. You see that? See what I did there? I don't know what it is, like a peppermint or something smell. Maybe there's like some essence in there. But so that is everything that I received in the March Just Because box. Actually, let's look at the scent of the Fresh Start. Is the scent of the shower steamer. It's a citrus essential oil. See, I was right. I love when I get it right. All right, so that's everything I received in the March Just Because. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Just Because so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.